Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix some common errors while installing or opening a program. So first you need to download fix to the IP from this Google Drive link. You can have this fixes operators to DLL, Microsoft UI XML 2.6, VCLabs 140, Net.native framework, Net Native Runtime 2.2. This is the latest update from these packages. So you can extract, fix errors, archive, and run these packages one by one. I have already installed these packages, but I need to close this app. Okay, I will close it. Open file, explore. And it's ready. And now we have our system updated from these packages. This you can use it while upgrading to Windows 11 if you have a low system species. And now we have to DLL errors fixes. If you have any to DL errors to run a program, as example, you can download this or the missing to DLL from this site dllme.com. You can search about or for your missing DLL and download it. Then you need to replace in system 32 and restart your computer or start File Explorer. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video was helpful for you. If you like the video, press like and subscribe and share it to get all new videos. See you soon.